Another quick little video. There's lots of these at the moment. I just want to show you some areas that I've fibre taped on these walls, because this is the same property that I actually done the lining paper on the other room for you all. Now, there was a lot more standing cracks in the walls in that other room, which was why we took the option to line it with the fibre liner, just to stabilise it all up. See, there's a couple more orange tapes just in there. There really isn't a lot of them in this room. I've had to just do this bit up here because there's a bit right up there at the top is a little bit unstable. So where it's right in there, we're just gonna get that tape in to stabilise it and then ease that edge back out. This here is where old fireplaces over generations have been taken out, put in, covered over, whatever. Obviously that's a new plaster on there, so we've just fibre taped across some of the hairline cracks that we can see. I mean, they're really minimal cracks that are in these, but just as a precaution while we're here. Another little crack there, and the same again coming down there. Those are the only cracks in the walls that I would have any worry, if any, about. So just taping those and then filling those over a couple of times is exactly where you want to be.